It's long been rumoured that DJI will be bringing out a cheaper non-Pro version of this, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and it looks like this is absolutely imminent because it seems that a UK retailer, Drones Direct, which I have had personal dealings with in the past, they are completely and utterly legitimate, seem to have potentially dropped the ball and launched this on their website. As you can see, this is a photo of a DJI Mini 3 drone fly more combo with DJI RC, and basically it's quite striking to see that this does look very legitimate indeed. Obviously this is like I said, a completely legitimate retailer here in the UK, and these published photos look exactly like DJI's usual library photos. So interestingly, this does come at a little bit of a discount where basically we're getting a fly more combo with the DJI RC controller, which of course is this thing right here, okay, for some discount compared to what it would cost you to buy the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the RC and then get a fly more kit. But of course, you know, there is going to be some things missing, so I want to just quickly discuss most of all what will be missing, and of course the look of the drone, because there's something really significant that I have noticed. And first of all, if I pop this picture up on screen, you will see that we seem to have gone to the old DJI Mini 2 or Mavic Mini style legs down at the bottom, okay, and the arms look slightly reprofiled as well. Now for me, this tells absolute wonders. There has been absolutely countless reports from viewers of mine all over the world complaining about the poor range on the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and quite frankly, when I did some testing on this, I didn't particularly find it that worse than the DJI Mini 2 personally, but I do know and trust that many of you have had some issues, and this potentially looks to me like DJI may well have adjusted the placement of the antennas inside the drone. You see, many people did say that it was all down to this controller why the DJI Mini 3 Pro had poor reception, and for me, I do not personally think so, purely because when I tested this, I found no difference whatsoever. But it does look to me like potentially this new DJI Mini 3 non-Pro does have the facility to have a different placement for the antennas, and I can only assume this is to fix the issues of people complaining about the poor signal on this drone. Not to mention, of course, because this is the non-Pro version, the likelihood is, as you can see by the redesigned front profile, we have lost the obstacle avoidance sensors for the front and the rear. You will still get downward sensors, that is absolutely for certain, but most importantly, you will lose that. And because you have lost the ability to have obstacle avoidance sensors, this means you will also lose the master shots facility as well. If I do quickly pop the specifications on screen, you can see everything does appear to be exactly the same as the Mini 3 Pro. The only exception is the fact it does offer a 38-minute flight time, which of course is an increase to the 34 minutes they promise on this. Now, is that likely? Will you get 38 minutes from this battery? Absolutely not, but I could potentially see that the battery would last slightly longer if it wasn't having to power all this obstacle avoidance stuff, and of course all the processing power that would actually take up. So guys, just wanted to give you this very quick exclusive. Of course, I'm scrolling through all of the images I've received so far on this, okay, just for you to browse, and of course I'm popping the specifications on screen as well. So please do let me know what you think to this model, okay, and whether it's something that you would potentially go for. Me personally, I've never needed a drone with obstacle avoidance. I'm always careful at flying, and really I'm not a huge lover of the master shots. They are absolutely great for beginners, but beyond you've done it a couple of times, do you really need master shots? No, of course, the satisfaction is in creating something like that yourself. So like I said, guys, just wanted to give you this exclusive and talk about these images that I have found online. Please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and exactly what you think to all of this. You can even tell me that these images are fake and not real, but that's very unlikely given the stature of this retailer within the UK. So guys, that wraps up that one. Please do give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more news on this DJI Mini 3 non-Pro. I will hope to bring you in due course. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.